Hi, I'm Pip. Today we have something really yummy. Are you ready? The watermelon. Look, what is that? A giant watermelon. So big. Outside, the melon is green. Green. Say it with me. Green. Green. Wonderful. Now let's cut it open. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Inside, the melon is red. Red. Say it with me. Red. Red. Super. Look at the little seeds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little seeds. And here is another melon. What's inside this one? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! This melon is yellow inside. Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. Yellow. Great job. Look, little melons are growing in the garden. Let's count the melons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little melons. Now let's try it. MMMMH. Yummy. Say it with me. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Melon, melon, green and red. Melon, melon, yellow and sweet. Melon, melon, green and red. Melon, melon, yellow and sweet. What is that? The watermelon. Green outside, red inside or yellow. And so yummy. Great job. Bye bye. See you soon.